Welcome to chapter Statistics. We are here to discuss the properties of arithmetic mean. We know your arithmetic mean is a simple average. Okay, now let us see what are the properties of the arithmetic mean. The very first one is the algebraic sum of deviation from mean is 0. Algebraic sum of deviation from mean is 0. Okay, we'll see these properties with the help of the question. Now the next one is if each observation is increased by a. आपने जितने भी observations लिए अगर आप उनको एक आपका numerical value है जिससे आप increase करेंगे तो जो आपका mean है वो भी आपका उतने से increase हो जाएगा. Similarly, if each observation is decreased by a, then the mean is also decreased by a. Next, if each observation is multiplied by a, then the mean is also multiplied by a. And the last one, if each observation is divided by a, then the new mean is also divided by a. We'll see these properties with the help of the example. Let us see the fifth property first. If each observation is divided by a, we'll take some number. For example, our number is 2, 4, 6. देखिए 2, 4, 6 हमने नंबर लिया, इसका मीन क्या हो जाएगा? सपोज इसका मीन x, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 upon 3, तो ये आपका कितना हो गया? 12 upon 3, that is your mean is 4. So you can see that mean is 4. हमारा जो original mean है वो आपका क्या है? 4. अब हमें क्या करना है? If each observation is divided by a, let us take this a now. Let a is equal to 2. तो हमें सारे ऑब्जर्वेशन को क्या करेंगे? 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. अब आप देखिए 2 से आपने इसको डिवाइड किया 1, 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 is 2 and 6 divided by 2 is your 3. Now you find out the new mean. Let the new mean be this be x bar and this be x bar dash. Okay. Now this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 upon 3. Now this is your 6 upon 3 and that is equal to 2. तो आप देख सकते हैं जो हमारा नया मीन है वो पुराने मीन का क्या है? That is x bar upon 2. So this is how we have shown that if each observation is divided by a, then the new mean is also divided by a. Okay. Now we will come to the next one, fourth. Once again, we can take some numerical values. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now just see here, we have taken this value 1, 2, 3, 4. We can take one more value 5. Right. सबसे पहले हम ओरिजिनल मीन निकाल लेते हैं. ये आपका हो जाएगा 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 5. तो ये आपका हो गया 15 upon 5 and that is 3. Right. So our original mean is 3. Now it is said if each observation is multiplied by a. Okay. Let a is equal to 2. हम ये सारे observation को 2 से multiply कर दें. You can see that ये आपका 2 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 upon 5. Okay. Now just see here. This is your 18, 19, 20, 24, 28, 30. So this is your 30 and 30 divided by 5, that is your 6. Now you can see that this is your 6. So हमारा a क्या था? 2. So now you can write 2 and this is your x bar. तो आपने देखा जो हमारा new mean है that is again divided by multiplied by 2 with the ओरिजिनल वन. तो इस तरीके से हम जो भी चेंज ऑब्जर्वेशन में करते द सेम चेंज वी सी इन द न्यू मीन, वेदर इट इज सब्ट्रैक्शन, एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन. डिवीजन में आपको हमेशा ध्यान देना है कि आप जिस भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे वो आपका नॉन जीरो नंबर रहेगा. ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. If each observation is decreased by a, then the new mean is also decreased by a. We can take the same numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, यहाँ पे हमें मालूम है हमारा एक्स बार कितना 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 अपॉन 5 and that is equal to 3. Now let us take the new mean. इनमें से सपोज हम 1 डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं तो ये 1 - 1 + 2 - 1 + 3 - 1 + 4 - 1 + 5 - 1 upon 5. You can see that this will come out to be, ये आपका हो जाएगा 0. I can take one more step. This is your 0 + 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 upon 5. Okay, now this is your 10 upon 5, that is 2. So you can see that your new mean is again, what was the original mean? X bar, that is 3 minus 1. हमने सारे ऑब्जर्वेशन में से क्या माइनस किया था? 1. हमारा नया मीन 2 which can be written as x bar minus 1. Value of x bar is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. In the same way, we can see the increased one. ये प्रॉपर्टीज आपको याद रखनी होगी, कहीं पे भी आप अपने MCQ क्वेश्चंस में वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं. इफ ईच ऑब्जर्वेशन इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय a, once again you can take the same thing. नंबर्स ले लीजिए 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 upon 5 and this is your 3. Let us take a. Let a is equal to 1. हमने 1 से क्या किया? इंक्रीज किया. तो आपका x bar dash is equal to 1 + 1 + 2 + 1 again 3 + 1 4 + 1 5 + 1 upon 5. Okay, so this is equal to 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 + 6 upon 5. You can see here 5 5 10 and that is your 20. 20 upon 5 is equal to 4 which can be written as x bar plus 1. आप देख सकते हैं जो हमारा न्यू मीन है दैट इज ओरिजिनल मीन में हमने 1 ऐड किया बिकॉज यही 1 हमने सब में क्या किया था? सबट्रैक्ट किया था. नाउ वी आर हियर विद द फर्स्ट वन. Understand the meaning of the algebraic sum of deviation from mean is 0. Let us take the observation xi. The same thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the deviation, that is xi minus a. A is your arithmetic mean. We know that your a, that is arithmetic mean, x bar is equal to 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 upon 5 and that is 15 upon 5 and this is equal to 3. तो हमने यहाँ पे सबको 1 - 3, 2 - 3, 3 - 3, 4 - 3, 5 - 3. So this is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. You can see that when you add this your summation xi minus x bar, summation का मतलब होता है एडिशन करने पे, ये आपका कितना आ रहा है? 0. This is what the sentence is, the algebraic sum of deviation from mean. जब भी आप जितने भी आपके ऑब्जर्वेशन है उनका डिविएशन अगर आप मीन से लेते हैं तो उनका सम हमेशा आपका क्या आएगा? 0. So this is all about the properties of arithmetic mean. Thank you.